morning, second class children. How are you all? So, welcome to the class. Now, your holidays had completed, isn't it? Your holidays are completed. How many days teach ma'am has given to you? 8 days or 10 days? Okay. If it is 8 days or 10 days also, never mind. But you had enjoyed, no? Okay, fine. So, the Dashra holidays are completed. Now, we are back to our class. I hope everyone is ready for the class. And everyone had came back from your native place. Okay, some children had went to village or someone had went out of station, isn't it? So please, I hope everyone has to be concentrated in your class. Okay, so today I will do one thing. I will start the previous class. I will just go for the oral and some exercise I will show you. That not writing part, it comes under only oral part today. From tomorrow I will start the writing part session and I will start the new lesson. Okay, because some children they might not have turned back. Okay, so let them know that the class had started from today onwards. So if I start tomorrow lessons, no, everyone can listen my class. So I don't want to start as soon as the vacation had after the vacation. I don't want to start any new lesson now. I hope everyone has to understand this lesson if I take any new lesson. So I am not going to start today, but hope so children, from tomorrow I will start the new lesson. Okay, so let them be also ready for the class. Okay, whoever the children are there today for the class, just we will go with the previous sessions. Okay, which lesson I taught you? Lesson number 5. Okay, what is the name of the lesson? Bones and muscles. What is the name of the lesson? Bones and muscles, isn't it? Okay, had you understood that lesson? Is it very clear for you all? Okay, you might have completed my worksheets, isn't it? You might have completed my worksheets. Okay, no teacher, we have not done, we went out of session to our native place. Never mind, you can do still now on or before Saturday. Please complete my worksheet, second class children. Okay, no excuses. Now you are all staying at home. Please do the worksheets whatever I had given in the holidays. You have to complete in your science class. Okay. Now let me start the class. What do you understand about the bones and muscles? Yes, bones and muscles. What do you understand here? The thing is what? How, in which way we have to keep our bones and muscles strong? How many muscles are there? How many bones are there? And what is a skeleton? What is a posture? Why we have to do the physical exercise? These are the different type of questions we had learnt in the bones and muscles. Okay. Do you know, children, what is a posture? Yes, the right way of sitting, standing and walking. It's called a correct posture. Okay. So what is that? What is a posture? The right way of sitting, standing, walking without any stooping. You should not stoop your head, okay, while walking or while you're doing any physical exercise. You should not do any stooping. Okay. So what is a posture? The right way of sitting, standing and walking is called a posture. Good posture. All those are what? Good postures. If you are walking by stooping, it is not a good posture, but it is a bad posture. Okay. The next one, why do we need to do physical exercise? What do you understand? Why we must do the physical exercise? Yes. If you do the regular exercise, what happens? It keeps your bones and muscles strong, isn't it? మీరు రెగ్యులర్గా ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేయండి, ఏమవుతుంది? బోన్స్ అండ్ మజిల్ బాగా స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, నాట్ ఓన్లీ స్ట్రాంగ్, యూ కెన్ స్టే ఫిట్ అండ్ healthy. You may have seen it. See, if you start doing exercise from if you like morning hours, as soon as you get up from the bed, no, go for the exercise, brush up yourself. Okay, after brushing your teeth, then fresh up yourself, then you go for the exercise. After brushing your teeth, fresh up, then you go for your do the regular exercise. If you do the regular physical exercise, what happens? Your bones and muscles will become so strong and you will feel so fit and you will feel so strong, isn't it? So healthy and strong. Okay, now, okay, and teacher had given the worksheet, isn't it? I had asked you some 2 different questions about the bones and muscles, and I told you if you listen the class, definitely you can give the answer for my 2 questions. Okay, and I hope everyone had completed my blanks. And see, if you got the skeleton picture, if you know, if your parents can draw, you draw the picture of skeleton, or else if the pictures pastings are available in any old textbook, collect the pictures skeleton, like any pasting work is I had given to you. If not, you please paste the picture of skeleton, okay, or else you can draw the picture of what? Skeleton. Okay, and you had learned what is a joint. The two bones joined together is called a joint. Yes. What is a skeleton? That is also you had learned. So some questions I had given already, like nearby 4 or 5 questions I had given to you. That is more than enough. We have 2 more questions that I may ask you in the general. What is a posture and why we should do the physical exercise regularly? What happens if you do the regular physical exercise? How you feel your body? That you have to give it by your own. Okay, children. Now let me start the next thing. So bones and muscles lessons are very clear for you. Now your turn is to what? To do the complete my worksheets and go through my class regularly and listen it and complete my given work. Whatever the work I had given to you, you have to complete it. Okay, children. Now the small work I want to give you. Please take down the children. What is that work I am going to give you? Listen here. Okay. Now listen here. Get ready for the class. Draw or paste the picture of same lesson number 5, bones and muscles. Okay, I didn't start any new lesson. This is the old lesson only. Bones, you don't get confused. Bones and muscles. Okay, from this lesson only I am giving the work. Draw or paste the picture of skeleton. Okay, and you write the questions. You have to find out the answer for this question. Okay, what is a good posture? Okay, very simple question, and you can give it by your own. What is a good posture? You can give it by your own. What is a good posture? Find out this answer. Okay, this is a small homework for you all. And second question is, why do we need to do physical exercise? Why do we need to do physical exercise? Okay, enough. This is 2 questions. You have to write this for the given question. You have to find out the answer, and you can give it by your own children. What is a good posture? Why do we need to do physical exercise? Okay, so very simple question I had given, and you can find out this answer. Okay, if you listen my class, easily you can find out my answer. Just now I had given the answer for these 2 questions. Okay, so please try to understand and complete my homeworks. Today this is the topic which I had given to you. So today I will complete my class. It is very small session today. From tomorrow onwards we will go with our new lesson and new topic. Okay, children. So take care, children, and be ready for the tomorrow class. Thank you.